sent Aaron on to scout some roads, because there's a lot of amazing roads. And maybe if you don't want to drive fast and be a dickhead, you can even just enjoy the scenery, because you're at a lot of elevation on a very historic road, which historic in the Northwest is not old.
No.
It just is a very young area. But as you can see kind of how beautiful it is in the background. We're going to pull up to Vista House now and meet up with everybody. This is the first time I've kind of met up with everybody on Drift Week. I'm sure probably only half of the people are here. Oh, it looks like a lot of people are here actually.
Oh, shit, it looks like a car show.
And then
Skirt!
We're going to roll from here.
There's... Everybody... Oh!
We made it. Checkpoint number 1. Vista House. I think you guys saw us roll in, but beautiful views. Everybody's meeting up. There are a lot of cars, more than any other Drift Week that I've been to so far. And we're actually going to drive some of it. We brought the TI, so we're going to drive that on the roads, and then the Mustang is going to meet us there. Then we're going to drive that at the tracks. Just mainly for this section, because these roads are really good and I enjoy driving. Unfortunately, the Mustang is not street legal and won't ever be able to be street legal, so we're taking the legal car. But yeah, everybody's here. We got a couple FD drivers, a bunch of locals, some guys who have flown in from Amsterdam and all over the place. And it's just really cool to collectively see this many people get together to enjoy something like this that's not necessarily normal. So I'm excited and can't wait to get this started.
Freaking ready.
Oh no, it didn't sync. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Drive-by just so the guys can see it. It should be really ripping right now.
Really ripping.
Really, really ripping.
Really ripping. Super pretty. I've got like a little rainbow glare in there. Super funny, when we went up there the first time, up that waterfall, Multnomah Falls, we weren't expecting to, and so we were both like in like normal jeans and like not hiking shoes, and we got wrecked on that hike. Dinosaurs sound like? That's what they sound like. That's actually how they did all the Jurassic Park noises.
Yeah.
Race cars.
Perfect. They see me rolling. Nothing runs like a deer. He's in a Ford Edge, and he's ripping these roads, like crossing yellow and chopping.
Jeez, what's your...
Rowena curve thing, probably. I think that was Aaron. We're at the basically mash-it part of the trip where we just are hauling ass and there's a bunch of tight little technical turns and they're trying to drift them and they're like, we're going around this right now not drifting at 80. He's trying to drifting going like almost 100. Oh my god. We just arrived at our first Airbnb. Got the Pennzoil car behind me. And the TI made it flawlessly. It was a gnarly drive. We drove like probably 12 or 13 togeys. Hit up a bunch of like super technical little lots and stuff. Lot of like very, very beautiful spots to drive. We took Rowena Curves, Vista House, drove through all of like the center of Oregon, up to Mabton, up in Washington, kind of went everywhere. Took an extra like probably 200 miles versus the highway drive. But it was pretty sick. Everybody had fun, everybody made it. We met up with some Drift Week people, we lost some Drift Week people, we broke some windshields with rocks. But we made it. No flats, no car trouble, just completely lost the front lip on the car. But we're out here at Villains. Tomorrow we're gonna be driving, and as well as Sunday, we're gonna shred, then bring it back, prep the car, and get ready for Seattle's leg of the trip. And yeah, we even brought the little scooter with us, little hot rod. So, see how it goes.